Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of the unboxing. So for today's episode, we're going to be unboxing this big box behind me. And as you can see, we're not in the studio. We're here outside the garage because the box is actually bigger than my dad. So today, as you can see in the box, we're unboxing this Fujitsubo exhaust system for the 2021 GR YARIS. Let's go.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Oh yeah.
The moment that you open the box, you can see that it's full of padding. These foams are molded to the shape of the exhaust inside the box. So we'll just take off these foams and show you guys what the exhaust looks like. So this is it, guys. This is the Fujitsubo Authorize R exhaust system for the 2021 GR YARIS. We just realized, guys, that we can't show you much, so we're moving on to something new.
A few moments later.
Welcome, guys, to another episode of the unboxing. Today we're gonna be unboxing all of these Aero parts for the 2021 GR YARIS. Let's go. As you can see, that's a lot of boxes. Let's start off with the smallest box, and as you can see here, it says Kansai Service. So what's this part? Let's find out. So we have the instruction manual over here with some hardware. So guys, as you can see, these are cannards for the GR YARIS made by HKS Kansai Service. So to install these cannards, guys, there's a hole over there where you put the screw, which is supplied, and at the same time there's double-sided tape that's also supplied. So these go on to the side of the car. Like for example, it goes somewhere here like that.
A few moments later.
We're gonna be opening this long box over here, and these are, I believe, TRD side skirts.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right.
So guys, here are the TRD side skirts for the GR YARIS. And as you can see, they're finished in a piano black finish. Super nice. They're made out of plastic. What is this?
It sound right, boy.
Here is the TRD front lip for the GR YARIS, and as you can see, it's finished in piano black, made out of plastic, and it's super high quality. So if you're curious what this part is, this actually goes here. And here on the table is the TRD gurney. This goes on the rear wing of the GR YARIS and is included when you buy the front lip. So as you can see, there's a small flap. That's why it's called a gurney, because it's a gurney flap, and it's made out of rubber, so it bends. And yeah, here it is. For the last box that we're gonna be unboxing, this is the Garage Vary rear wing for the GR YARIS. So guys, here's the Garage Vary rear wing for the GR YARIS. It's made out of fiberglass, And look at the shape, guys. So it has that curved shape at the rear. Yeah, it's like a ducktail. This hole right here, guys, is where the original brake light goes. So the OEM brake light just goes back in here, and it's gonna look like an OEM part, but you get this really nice ducktail for the rear. A lot of you may be curious if the Garage Vari rear wing will actually support the TRD rear gurney flap. So right now, we're gonna give it a try. So let us see if it's gonna fit. And yes, I think it fits. Guys, here's the TRD gurney flap paired with the Garage Vari rear wing. And as you can see, it's a perfect fit, I think. You just have to center the gurney flap and it fits. So guys, just a quick recap of what we unboxed today. We have the HKS Kansai Service cannards. We have the TRD front lip. This is the one for the side that goes here. TRD side skirts. TRD rear wing gurney flap. Lastly, we have this beautiful Garage Vari rear wing for the GR YARIS. So guys, we hope that you enjoyed this video. We unboxed lots of Aero parts for the 2021 GR YARIS, and we hope that this makes it easier for you to choose which Aero parts you'd like to install on your 2021 GR YARIS. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to please click that like button and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys next time.
It sound right, boy.